Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is trigonometric ratio or trigonometric function part 2. So in the last video you already learned about how can you determine which side is opposite and adjacent or hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. And the most important of that video is I want to teach you about you have to choose the angle between you want to determine opposite side and adjacent side of that angle. So for this video we will practice about learning how to or practicing about the determine the opposite side and adjacent side for which chosen angle. Okay, look at this. The exercise, the first exercise, you got the triangle ABM and the 90-degree angle is B. So the opposite side of B is BM, for AM. And if you want to determine what is the opposite side of A, it's very easy. Look at this side. Yeah, did it. So BM is my final answer for the opposite of angle A. How about the adjacent? Adjacent of A. Adjacent of A is another side. So this side is hypotenuse. This one is opposite. And okay, of course, so this side is adjacent. So adjacent of A is mean AB. Okay. Another question, you got the triangle MKH and the chosen angle is H. So the opposite of H and the adjacent of H. So what it is? Opposite of H is mean this one, MK. This is opposite. This is hypotenuse. And this is of course the last one, the adjacent. So opposite is MK and the adjacent KH. Yeah, okay, that's it. One more. You have the triangle is OHM. So the chosen angle is M. And this is hypotenuse, very easy for recognize that. And the opposites will be here. And how about the adjacent? Okay, the last one. So when you answer the question, what is the opposite side of M? Your answer will be OM, OH. And the adjacent of M is mean OM. Yeah. Okay. BHF, the 90 degree is B. So here is hypotenuse. Adjacent of chosen angle H is here, opposite. And the last one will be adjacent. So opposite of H is BF. And adjacent of H will be BH. Yeah, okay. Go on for this one. Hypotenuse, this angle. And opposite of chosen is here. Adjacent is the last one, last side. Okay, so opposite of H, it is ON. Adjacent of angle H will be HN. Yeah, okay, how about this one? Okay, 90 degree is O. So the longest side is this side, and it is hypotenuse. Opposite of chosen is here. Adjacent is the last one. Okay, so opposite, you got this one is opposite of C is mean OB. Adjacent of C is OC. Yeah, okay. And this is there are last two questions. Yeah, okay, for this one. The chosen angle is M. Hypotenuse this side. And how about this one? Opposite, adjacent. Yeah, okay, so answer my question about opposite of M. You will have what? AK. And adjacent of M. Adjacent of M is AM. Okay. And the last question, opposite of H and adjacent of H. longest side, hypotenuse, opposite, and the last one is adjacent. Opposite is BF, and the adjacent you got HF. Okay, as question for practicing how to determine the opposite side and the adjacent side in the right angle triangle, applying the knowledge about SOHCAHTOA trigonometric function or trigonometric ratio. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have good practice about the step 1 of trigonometric ratio. And the next video we will talk more about SOHCAHTOA. Thank you and see you next time.